This is a 2020 Kia Sportage. It's got the silver paint. The Hankook tires. A little bit of gloss black trim around the lights there. It's got a backup camera. Some really cool two-tone wheels. You can see the Hankook tires. They call these the Kinergy GT. Got a ton of tread left on them. There's 17-inch rims. A lot of gloss black accents are on the front as well. Some really cool daytime running lights. You can see them here in the headlights, as well as the projector beam headlights themselves. Got the gloss black trim around the Kia there, around the grille surround, the front bumper trim, and around these light vents here, I mean. This is a non-smoker. Very clean inside. Got your touchscreen there. Backup camera. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as your typical Bluetooth. So your climate control system. You got 2 USB ports and an auxiliary. You got different drive modes. Normal, Eco, and Sport. Really pretty gloss trim around the steering wheel here. There's your cruise control, Bluetooth, automatic headlights. There's your lane change alert. As far as safety features, this has the driver attention warning. You have your lane safety, forward collision avoidance, and forward collision warning. Very, very nice to have. You got your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You see the black cloth seats with the white stitching on them. Got your air vents on the back of the console, as well as a 12-volt port. In the back of the seats there, you have a flip down little armrest. It's a manual opening lift gate, but very easy to open. Inside this little storage bin, you can see your tire mobility kit and a bunch of storage, which is really, really nice. I didn't say it already, 20,000 miles. And then looking at the key, got your lock, unlock, trunk pop, and panic.